Jason, can I fix this creaking sound in my flooring when I step on it? Solid hardwood in my living room.
Yes, you can. You got to figure out what is the creaking part. Is it the wood or is it my subfloor under it?
Yeah.
If it's subfloor under it, it's a little tougher to find the fix because if you just run a nail down through it and don't hit a joist, it ain't going to fix it. It may make the squeak worse.
Right.
If it is the floor, a lot of times you can put a finish nail down through it, set it, put a little putty in it, and you'll probably never see it.
You got to remember, creaking is caused by movement.
Right.
Eliminate the movement, you've eliminated the creaking.
Sometimes if it's a crawl space or an open basement underneath, you can get under there and maybe run a few screws into the plywood and the wood to pull it down, but...
That's good because you can see where the joists are then.
Right. Just don't use too long a screw and go through the top of the floor.
You look at me
That's
like
something
I would.
like you would do.